Hi, my name is Suhrab and I'm from Tajikistan. I'm a global grad student in architectural program at Northwest Wisconsin Technical College. Here's the video of my experiences to share with you guys of my excitement and adventures.
It's my life. I can do what I like for the price of a smile. I gotta take it to ride.
Rob was one of my favorites. We had a wonderful time. We had a chance to do a few things. We went down to Milwaukee, it's a baseball game. And normally I don't like baseball, but I had a wonderful time that weekend. We saw the baseball team win that night. Got a chance to spend a weekend with my nephew and his family. Took a trip through Milwaukee, saw some of the architecture there. Some of the things that I really learned a lot from Suhrab was how the Tajik culture and the United States culture, when we get to really talk about who we are and what we believe, that there's a lot of things that we have in common. And while there's some differences in some things that are just a little bit different culturally, I would say that the more that I got to know Suhrab, the more that I understood that people around the world are so much alike.
During our time together, Suhrab shadowed various department members in the facilities department at NWTC at meetings. We asked that he take an inventory of our electrical systems, which allowed him to go out into various areas of the college with blueprints, document what he saw, and then we took that information and put it into a database that's usable to various members that service our buildings.
Suhrab came to us. To begin with, I'm with the facilities department at Northeast Wisconsin Technical College, where Suhrab is going to school this year. And Suhrab comes to us from Tajikistan, which is really interesting for us, and we're happy to have him here.